Good morning. Today we are in Carunchio, a beautiful hilltop village situated in Abruzzo region at just 35 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. The house we wish to propose you is this detached townhouse with a little garden at the back of the house. The house stands on 2 floors. This is the main entrance. Unfortunately, I don't have the keys of this entrance. We can also enter from the garage that is connected to the main house. The garage avails of the laundry corner and the ceramic sink and the kitchen. On the right, we find an additional bedroom. And with bathroom with shower facilities. On the ground floor, we also find a kitchen with a perfectly working fireplace and wood-burning stove. The ground floor is also internally connected to the cellar. The internal staircase takes us to the first floor. Here we find a second kitchen. A dining room. And from this window we can see the back garden. A master bedroom with a balcony. A double bedroom with a balcony and with view. and a full bathroom with shower facilities. This is the access to the attic floor that is used just for the storage purposes. Outside, the property avails of a little garden. Also, this piece of land belongs to the property. The garden can be used as a vegetable garden or outdoor space for relaxing. If you are interested in this property, you can contact us by email at info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.